What's up guys, Miguel here. Quick video today is on the Sidasu universal spare tire carrier. I do have it hooked up the way the instructions said. I have it on this post right here and then this post over here. I put two straps on the two posts that are around over here just in case. Installation took me, I don't know, about 35-45 minutes. Looks pretty good. This piece is long, so I'm probably gonna cut it down here just to make it a little bit shorter. Put the cap on. Nice little padlock station over here with a magnet so that it doesn't move around, and that's what it looks like. And it's on my 3rd gen 4Runner. Little clamp right there, and then another clamp on the other side, and then 2 more clamps over here. I don't know if you guys could see that, but 2 more clamps. One thing I can suggest is to change the bolts that it comes with, because the tread gets messed up on a Phillips screwdriver type. I'm gonna go down and take a video from the bottom, and that's what it looks like from the top. And then coming down from the car, you see that thing sticks up past the spare tire. So I'm gonna cut that inside the wheel well tomorrow, and that's what it looks like on top of the 4Runner. Basically, I needed to free up the space underneath so that I have better options with my hitch. I have a Thule bike rack that I need to put on, and it's a little bit longer than what I wanted it to be, but that one looks pretty good, feels pretty good. Haven't driven on it yet, but I was pulling on it. That's what it looks like from the bottom. There's a plate that clamps going up, and for the most part, this 4Runner's ready to go. 4Runner is ready to go. Better screws and bolts. That's my only deal with this thing, and hopefully it works out. Thanks for watching.